What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel for a new video. Finally a drone trip. It's been a long time. I'm really happy. I already went to this place last year, but only with my Mavic 2 Pro, and today it's gonna be massive because this place is just crazy. And I'm gonna fly my Mavic 2 Pro and my FPV drone like I wanted to do since a long time. Today is the day. It's a little bit cloudy, so it can be really beautiful. Let's go. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. It was a little bit hard for me because to have two backpacks with all my gear, the Mavic, the camera gear, the FPV gear, it's a mess and it's hard to manage everything for me, but I didn't regret because today was really nice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to support my channel and hit that bell to receive a notification for my next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I see you soon for another drone session. Salut!